Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel My Breakfast Box. I'm going to show you how to make Rava Appe, a delicious and easy to make South Indian pancake. Rava Appe are made with semolina, water, spices, and vegetables, and they're perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Those of you who are in a hurry but also don't want to compromise on serving your family with healthy and delicious food, this instant Rava Appe recipe